Turning a tiny flat into a chic modern home can be tricky, but it's not impossible to expand spaces visually. Stretching the elongated space of the living area, with a longish cove lighting ceiling, with a bright color theme at interior. An entryway settee bench, that is both the highlight of the foyer, and extensive storage space, as well as a window seat. The settee can be used in many ways, such as wearing shoes, reading books, and more. This 3-room HDB unit at 𝘍𝙬𝙈𝙾𝙙𝙀𝙕 may be compact, but we've taken storage up a level. We've created more storage for the homeowner through our design. Never underestimate what these cabinetry can do. It comes with multiple hidden features, such as 2 of the doors being entrances to the bedrooms. As well as the TV console is made to be used in 2 spaces, one is the living area and the other is the bedroom. It may seem to be a common TV console, however it is designed to turn and swivel, so it could be enjoyed in both spaces. The modern black aluminum framed bathroom glass panel adds a pinch of the cool and modern element. A large bed and a classy L-shaped corner wardrobe is a great addition to the interior of the room. Making the dining area an eye-catching space with fluted panel feature wall, along with LED strip light. The meticulous details elegantly fit into the area, adding depth by layering texture in the overall design. A beautiful matte, white and bright fuchsia pink kitchen is a bold contrast separates the kitchen area from other spaces.